The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, automatic stability control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service, fog lamps, MP3 capability, dual zone climate control, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror, heated side mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.